Dior! Happy birthday! Ever since you were born, we are so thankful that God gave you to us. We are so blessed to have you. Please continue to be a blessing to others.
Happy birthday, baby. Sana lagi kang maging good girl, lagi kang maglilisin kay mami and daddy at sa mga ate mo.
Always remember, anak, nandito lang kami ni Daddy to support you in everything you do.
Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki ka, mas mabait ka pa, mapagdasal, at saka tumutulong sa iba, di ba, yung mga nangangailangan mo. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. I'm always here to spoil you, to guide you. Huwag mo lang akong tatarayan dahil tandaan mo, mas mataray ako sa'yo. I love you, Dior. Happy birthday.